Hey everyone, forgot your Gmail password and can't sign into your account? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to recover or reset your Gmail password step by step. Step 1. Open the Gmail sign-in page. First, open any web browser on your phone or computer. Go to gmail.com and enter your Gmail email address, then tap on Forgot Password to continue. Step 2. Enter your last remembered password. Google may ask you to enter the last password you remember. If you remember an old password, enter it. If not, tap Try another way to move forward. Step 3. Verify using phone number or recovery email. Next, Google will try to verify your identity. You may receive a verification code on your registered phone number or recovery email. Enter the code to confirm that account belongs to you. Step 4. Answer the security questions. In some cases, Google may ask security questions such as when you created the account. Answers as accurately as possible, then tap Next. Step 5. Create a new Gmail password. After verification, you will be asked to create a new password. Choose a strong password using letters, numbers, and symbols. Confirm the password, and your Gmail password will be reset successfully. Important tips. Always save your new password in secure place. Make sure your recovery phone number and email are up to date. Never share your Gmail password with anyone to keep your account safe. And that's it. Now you know how to recover or reset your Gmail password if you forget it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tech tutorials.